Okay, so here's another day documenting my life, and I wonder is just documenting my life or just yapping random shits out there in front of a camera, or like last time, say the last video, I'm uh, really feeling okay now. Last video, say this last video, I was sounding so much depressed. uh, Depressed and all. But yeah, what can you expect? Like I'm still a teenager, so mood swings are common. Okay, um, then I shouldn't bother about it that much. And to think that I'm back again in the same place. Like, this is is it, I think 10 or 20 times I'm showing this place, showing this place in the video. Tambar ho chuka hai. Like I guess I really like coming to this place, and I don't know why I'm recording this, but yeah. Wait a second, wait. So uh, I had to pause for some reasons, and uh, next week it is okay. So sorry for the interruptions, and like next week मेरा AITS है I guess, or syllabus है शायद matrix determinant and solutions and chemical kinematics and electrochemistry. physics का शायद physics का तो बस electrostatics I guess आएगा, और current electricity आ सकता है. But I'm really glad कि organic chemistry नहीं आ रहा. Organic chemistry सबसे वाहियात जा रहा है मेरा, सच बता रहा हूँ. सबसे वाहियात सब्जेक्ट. Like how am I supposed to remember all the reasons and all? But I guess let's keep moving. Like as time will pass, I will revision कर करके दिमाग में घुस ही जाएगा कहीं तो कहीं. Okay, so like there are too many cuts in this video. Not cuts, like poses on this video. There are people fishing out here. You can see that. Where there you can see that. There you can see that. They're not fishing basically. Where is that? Oh, like sorry. They are fishing and they are giving me the death stares. That feels really awkward. So I just have to pause the video for a while and just. It just feels awkward. That's the point I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying to say. Wait, again a cut. Like anyways, so just I didn't expect this much cuts. Means pauses in between due to some unavoidable circumstances. But anyways, like वही बोला था कि करियर डिस्ट्रॉय करना मेरे से कोई सीख ले. ये टेस्ट के लिए मतलब रिवाइज करने की जगह में इधर वाक में है. बट so just तो क्या बोल रहा था मैं. वेट लेट मी थिंक. बोल रहा था मैं. Okay, so it was really, that was kind of a lot of poses out there, right? So I just found a suitable place to sit right here, and I was just killing my time for the for today as of it's 22 August, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 4 months left, and just that let's just have a casual discussion of what's going on in this world. Because I've called my friend Saurabh, and he's on the way. He's coming here. Then until he comes, then just I need to kill some time doing something. So, and I don't want to scroll anyways. So, and scroll any social media reels or anything. So I just decided to record this video. So what topics do I need what topics do we talk about? Let me think. Like let's talk about 2019 and 2020 and 2021, as I think the means 2019 and 2020. Yeah. Then I think those were the years where the social internet internet really started. Means people started really getting access to internet. Means as far as I know, it's just my source. I don't think it's I don't know if it's credible or not. My so it's just my source, like from what I observed in my like 18 years of career. Like I'm not 18, like 17.8 years, right? 17.56. 17.8, yeah, you can see the 17.8 years of career. What I have observed, right? 2019, 2022, 2020 and 2021 were the years where internet really got accessible to a lot of persons, a lot of people. एंड मैं मेरे को याद है अभी भी, मतलब मैं मेरा घर शिफ्ट होने नहीं, घर शिफ्ट शायद 2018 को हुआ था. सो शायद let me lower down the brightness. This t-shirt really destroy the contrast of my face and like I hope you can see the if I just focus on the background then my face becomes darker, and if I just focus on me the background becomes white. Man, what the hell is that? Then let's just see the background because the clouds really looks really good, and if you really want to see the, then this is it. Oh my god, like nothing. It's, my camera is not that good, and and anything you can take. Means picture doesn't. If someone is experiencing a thing in the experiencing a thing with his or her eyes in front of them, there is a different feel and the beauty to it than we're like witnessing the thing in just the pictures or videos and movies and other things, right? Then yeah. Where was I? Where was I? Man, where was I? I'm just I was the 2019. Yeah, 2019 where internet got access to people got internet access to the internet, and internet like YouTube and other social media platforms really started with getting users and all. And what was I saying? Yeah. हाँ याद आ गया. मेरा मेमोरी बहुत ख़राब है. मैंने अच्छा हुआ कोई लर्निंग सब्जेक्ट नहीं ले लिया. ओके, उससे याद है. Sorry for the interruption. There are just 2 interruptions. I hate that, man. So that was I'm saying. So 2019, I guess. Yeah, 2019 where like this type of phone, smartphones came really famous होने लगा फिर. एंड इंटरनेट थैंक्स टू अंबानी जी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. जियो की वजह से इंटरनेट रियली बिकेम accessible to lot of people. So then during that time, हाँ तब देखा जाए तो मेरा एक दोस्त भी था जिष्णु, राइट? I really miss him. He was one of the closest friend that I had. No, it's not good to use had that I have. Although it's been I guess 7 or 8 years उससे बात नहीं हुआ, and we are just grown up now. तो बात भी मतलब it just feels awkward कि एक दिन अचानक फ़ोन करके मैं क्या ही पूछूँ. Like I think I still remember कि the day before he was leaving for Guwahati due to his father transfer. Not the day before, that means 2 days before, or like during that, his family came to my house and we had just fun and all. Like I still miss him, and he was one of the few closest friends that I ever had. I have in my entire 18-year career. And the thing that I still remember, like I had a picture with him. And unfortunately I lost that picture. And there's no sign of our friendship whatsoever. I still remember I was wearing a grey tank top with a grey shorts, and he was wearing a red shirt, tank top with a black shirt, right? And there was a photo that we clicked last time. Then after that he left. He left for Guwahati, and I didn't know that time that it will be the last time I will be seeing him. But I think he has grown up. He's grown up right now, and he's living a good life. No, like, let's pray he will be living a good life. And that during that time, during that time, like, the game, क्या नाम था गेम का, पबजी, या पबजी वॉज गोइंग रियली वायरल दैट टाइम. ये पबजी का फुल फॉर्म क्या था मेरे प्लेयर्स, जस्ट समथिंग, प्लेयर समथिंग, मेरे को अभी नेम भी याद नहीं है भाई. पहले आई यूज टू प्ले इट मीन्स द होल डे अर्लियर, एंड नाउ जस्ट नाम भी याद नहीं भाई. देखो मतलब कितना गद्दार आदमी हूँ मैं, नाम भी याद नहीं रखता. तो yeah, the game PUBG was really getting viral. The game was really getting viral. Means अरे जब जिसको भी देखो PUBG खेला था भाई. मतलब मेरा और दोस्त था, 3 दोस्त. या लाइक एनीवेज, जस्ट दिस वीडियो विल नॉट बी पब्लिक देन. मेरे लिए तो 3 दोस्त, सौरभ, मनीष एंड शिवम, और उसका छोटा भाई, मनीष का छोटा भाई. वो दोस्त नहीं, मेरा छोटा भाई मान लो. तो बाबू उसका नाम. लाइक इतना क्रिएटिव माइंडसेट के लोग हैं, ये कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग. मैंने मतलब वी इवन क्रिएटेड द रियल लाइफ वर्जन ऑफ पबजी, राइट. वी यूज्ड टू प्ले इट एवरी डे. It was of 20. Like, let's leave that part for, let's leave that story for, let's leave that part for like later on this video. And I think that 2019 में हाँ आया था फेमस. फिर तब तो शायद तब मेरे पास था वो सैमसंग गैलेक्सी का J2 शायद वही था. उसके बाद से मेरा एक वीवो V256 वही कुछ था, उसमें 2GB या 3GB रैम था भाई. उसमें खेलता था. पहले गेम तो it didn't used to lag that much, but later on the game, as the size of the game increased and as the size and the graphics of the game increased, then it really used to lag a lot. But first during the first year, initial years, like game didn't used to lag at all, and I used to play like crazy. Me and my brother, like we used to fight. वो जो photo था वो, the reason I realized the photo was that the mobile got destroyed by my father. अरे क्या हुआ था कि मैं और मेरा भाई मतलब झगड़ा कर रहे थे. झगड़ा मीन्स कौन मोबाइल चलाएगा, मतलब इट्स जस्ट टिपिकल सिबलिंग्स फाइट. एवरीवन, इफ एनीवन हैव अ सिबलिंग, देन इट्स जस्ट टिपिकल सिबलिंग फाइट, राइट. देन मैं और मेरा भाई झगड़ा. फिर पापा को गुस्सा आया, दे मारा ज़मीन पे और बजा डाला फ़ोन का, और लाइक उसके साथ मेरा फ़ोटो भी चला गया. एंड आफ्टर दैट सैमसंग गैलेक्सी J2 इट वाज दैट. एंड आफ्टर दैट वीवो का एक फ़ोन खरीदा था 2GB रैम का, वही था, उसमें खेलता था पबजी मैंने. फिर हाँ उससे ही आइडिया आया था कि मैं वो रियल लाइफ गेम बनाने का, रियल लाइफ में सिमुलेशन बनाने का मेरे क्रिएटिव दोस्तों ने बनाया था वो अलग. अगर if the video goes long, then I will share about that. And that 2019 में शायद पता नहीं, पहले तो गेम इतना वायरल नहीं था, पर शायद वो जो रेजिडेंट इविल 2 के साथ कोलैब किया था. फिर रेजिडेंट इविल 2 के साथ वो जो एलन वॉकर एंड सबरीना कारपेंटर के साथ एक जो सॉन्ग था, क्या नाम था उस सॉन्ग का, ऑन माई वे के साथ बनाया था. वो कोलैब किया था पबजी में. अभी तो BGMI है, मतलब BGMI कम पबजी मान लो, बस कॉपी वर्जन है. तो वही कोलैब किया था. तो वही मतलब तब कोलैब किया था. और let me see the videos finally on that. So it collab with that Alan Walker and Sabrina Carpenter, and तब से like the game really blew up. Then उसका the hype remained for 2020, 19, 20, 21, and after 22 I guess the game really went on down. So it's like typical battle royale games, just have a downfall after certain years of being at the top peak level, because like it's the same storyline that goes in every single game, right? Just landing on the same place and killing people. It's not that's landing on the same place and just killing your opponent and all. It's just the same story. People will get bored of it, you know. People will just get bored of it. And during that time, तब to be honest, मेरे को याद था. मीन्स I don't know much about it, but that time my brother used to listen to the songs of those, what was there, During that time, I still remember the songs of that Ed Sheeran, "Shape of You" was trending, and "Shape of You" from the Divide album. It was trending. I don't know. No, I'm not saying I don't remember the exact old detailing on all, but I remember that my brother used to listen that. Then like your bigger uh, your sibling, your older sibling doing something, it just feels cool, right? Feels cool. Your older sibling is doing something, like it just feels cool. Then I also try to copy it, man. And yes, so that time, yeah, to be honest, that Ed Sheeran Divide album was trending, and what was that? That Justin Bieber's Purpose album, I guess. I don't remember the full details, but I think that was trending or not. I don't even remember, but yeah, that was trending that back then. To be honest, to think that if someone would have just picked up a guitar and uh, just sang random songs. We just looking at the chords and from the internet. I don't know if the chords will be present on the internet, but just let's assume that there will be he didn't have even a chord or something, but let's assume that he just picked up a guitar and played some random chords with the strumming and just a random plucking pattern. Sorry, random plucking pattern, like, and just. He just if he had means any person would have just sang it a song. Means he sang the song in a off key or just terribly, let's assume he just sang terribly to an or off key, he had sang for, compared to the guitar, then like he would have made a career. He would have made a career if he had just uploaded that time in YouTube, because like feel during that time there was not a lot of creators, then people were bound to watch a very really very small fraction of creators. So like it's just my hypothesis, like I don't know it would work or not, but who knows, like it could work, like someone could have made. I don't know very much about it, but yeah, that's just it was 2019. Yeah, that was only 2019. And about 2019, 2020 was the year where pandemic hit, and it was pandemic hit, and there was nothing much about going on this around, like 2019 went and 2020 came, and just the thing that changes, the pandemic came. Yeah, let me remember if there was something more detailing in the 2019, if I have to share. I don't even remember which class I was in. Right, then I'm just giving the timeline based on what I experienced in those years. Yeah, just to think that. Just wait a second. Let me remember. Okay, I think that's just that's just all, I guess. I would that just that was all that was happening 2019, I guess. Yeah, I will share about 2020 in the next video. Like till then, I'm just leaving it for suspense. Or should I share it? I don't know. Should I share it? I don't know. Wait, let me think if I should share it or not. The video is getting long. I should go home and study. But let's see. Wait, let me think. Okay, so like after thinking, not thinking, but thinking too much. That yeah, like there was one part that was that. So 2019 में मेरा मतलब तो यूट्यूब तो तब तो मीन्स देर वर गोइंग वायरल, एंड तब मेरा दोस्त भाई मनीष को भूतों का इतना शौक था, पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज़ एंड क्या वो जो एक गेम वायरल आया था मेरे बीच में, चार्ली चार्ली आर यू हियर समथिंग वाज देयर, चार्ली चार्ली ब्लडी मेरी, वो सब का वीडियो भी मैंने बनाया, मतलब हम लोग ने बनाया था कि 2019 में शायद बनाया था उसका वीडियो। मैं मेरा 3 दोस्त बोला था कि नाम तो बनाई था, और उसका भाई भी, तो मैंने बनाया था वीडियो, लाइक खतरनाक वीडियो था वो सब। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जिस चैनल में मैंने अपलोड किया था वो चैनल ही घूम गया शायद। और हाँ, तो तब तब जा रहा था वो जो डेस्पासितो गाना, डेस्पासितो गाना वायरल, वो जो जस्टिन बीबर के साथ रिमिक्स किया था वो वीडियो, वो गाना कितना पर उस पर मैंने जीमेल ही बना दिया था, लाइक आई रियली मेड अ जीमेल यूजिंग दैट, लाइक द जीमेल नेम वाज banikdespacito@gmail.com, man, like I don't know what was going around in my head during that time, but जीमेल बना दिया मैंने। फिर वही मतलब तब उसमें ही शायद मैंने अपलोड किया था वो सब वीडियोस, चार्ली चार्ली आ रही हो, तो बहुत बचपन का वीडियो था। उसमें मैंने लाइक उसमें मैं और मेरा दोस्त ने साइकिल में स्टंट भी किया था कुछ, और फिर क्या बोलता है बहुत ख़राब गिरा था साइकिल से स्टंट करते समय, व्हीली करने का कोशिश किया था। फिर that like unfortunately I lost the video. If I had the video I would have just like it would be a nostalgic feeling, but unfortunately I lost that, and there's nothing I can do. Right, bro, there is just two and I guess he's here maybe. I call him, he's here maybe, he's sitting right here. Like my friend came, so I guess that will be the part for 2019. I will say more about 2020 on the next video. Till then, yeah, और वो डिटेल्स जो मैंने PUBG गोइंग वायरल का दिया था वो भी उसके बारे में और बताऊंगा क्यों मैंने दिया था, एंड दैट्स विल बी इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो। आई गेस दैट्स इट।